So today we are gonna learn how to download and upload study materials to Akura. Now this is a good method where you can find and download the study materials from your subject teacher. What happens is your school subject teacher or the class teacher can upload your study materials to the lessons they are doing weekly or monthly. So you can view, download the study materials from Akura, as well as that after you are completing the study material, you can resubmit it back. So your class teacher or the subject teacher can correct all your answers. Let's see how to do this. First of all, I'm going to log in into my Akura account with my new password, which I have created with our previous Akura video. Here I will give parent category. Remember, you need to add your new password here, not the default password which your school has given you. Okay, so with our previous video, we learned how to fill our child's details accordingly. First, let's learn how to find the study material which your teacher has uploaded for you. From the 4 tabs given on the top of the window, you should choose Study Materials. Now let's give the current year. So I will give 2021 and then the relevant grade. So I'm going to put grade 6. Finally, the subject you need. So here I will select Information Technology. As you can see, the IT teacher has uploaded 2 study material documents for the year 2021. So you can click on these materials and view them like this. So if you need to download these study materials, you can click this download button from here. Okay, so this is the way we can view and download the study materials from Akura. Now let's see how to provide the answer sheet or the submission for the study materials uploaded by your teacher. I'll start from the beginning. First, you should click on the Study Materials tab. And then you should click the Submission tab like this. Then they are asking some criteria that you need to follow during the submission process. Let's start with the year. I will add 2021. Then the grade and the student name field will be filled automatically. After that, you can select the subject. So I will give Information Technology. Now let's select the study material we need to submit the answers. So as we discussed before, ICT teacher has uploaded 2 study materials. So you can select the correct one among them. I will select part 2. Now you should click Search Uploaded Submissions. Alright, now we are going to select our answer sheets for the submission. Let's click on this arrow. Then we need to find the correct location where we have stored our answer sheets. So I have kept my answer sheets in my desktop. So I will click desktop. And then I will select this. Now give open. So as you can see, down below they will show me the document that I have selected. Finally, I can click this upload button. If you find this is not the correct one, or else if you feel like you want to delete this, you can click this cross and remove it. If your submission is completed, you can view this message successfully uploaded. So likewise, you can add answers for all the submissions provided by your teacher. So see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.